Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to transfer credit from one customer to another customer in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks and have zero accounting knowledge, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that in QuickBooks Online, you cannot directly transfer a credit from one customer to another customer, but there is a simple workaround that professionals use. We'll use a credit memo and a journal entry to move the balance properly. Step 1. Check the available credit. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left menu, click on Sales. Then click on Customers. Select the customer who currently has the credit. Open their profile and confirm the available credit amount. Step 2. Create a journal entry to move the credit. Now go to the plus New button at the top left. Click on Journal Entry. In the first line, choose Accounts Receivable as the account. In the Debit column, enter the credit amount. In the Name column, select the new customer who should receive the credit. In the second line, again choose Accounts Receivable. In the Credit column, enter the same amount. In the Name column, select the original customer who had the credit. Make sure the debit and credit amounts are equal. Then click Save and Close. What this does is remove the credit from the first customer and apply it to the second customer. Step 3. Apply the credit to an invoice. Now go to the new customer's profile. Open their unpaid invoice. Click Receive Payment. You will see the transferred credit available. Apply it to the invoice and save. That's it. The credit has now been successfully transferred from one customer to another in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.